Welcome to the world of digital advertising. Digital advertising refers to the promotion of products, services, or brands using various online platforms and channels. It's a way for businesses to connect with their target audience in the digital realm. From banner ads to social media campaigns, search engine marketing, and video ads, digital advertising offers a wide range of formats and strategies. Here's a breakdown of how digital advertising works. 1. Audience targeting. Advertisers can choose specific demographics, interests, or behaviors to target their ads to the most relevant audience. 2. Ad creation. Compelling visuals, engaging copy, and persuasive calls to action are crafted to capture the audience's attention and drive desired actions. 3. Ad placement. Ads are strategically placed on various digital platforms such as search engines, social media, websites, mobile apps, and video streaming services. 4. Performance tracking. Advertisers monitor the performance of their campaigns using metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on investment. Digital advertising offers several advantages, including precise targeting, real-time tracking, and the ability to reach a global audience. Whether you're a business owner or a marketing enthusiast, understanding digital advertising is essential in today's digital age. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on digital marketing and advertising.